Hello folks, Trade Ideas scanning technology out here for the stock market. We're looking at our virtual trading assistant Holly here, and we can see her trades grid down here, and on the charts if we were to click on any of these, we can see a shaded area indicating different risk and reward scenarios. The idea behind this is trying to put in front of you risk management. Many new traders don't think of risk management when they're first getting into a trade. They're just thinking about how much money they can make, and they're never concerned about protecting their money. And the first thing you should be concerned about is protecting that money. So these are the things that we do with our technology here and our chart assistants on helping traders get into that proper mindset of risk management. So something like CRDO here that was alerted earlier in the day, while it's moving up nicely, we can see that we have a stop that's put in there for you. You may not always agree with the stop. You may want to move it up or move it down. But the idea is to get you thinking of these things. And if we were to click through each one of these here, we can see whether it's a long idea, or a short idea, like so on and so forth here with OKTA. There is a stop in this shaded area showing us our risk reward. This is how we try to help newer traders get into the market, learn the market, and learn how to manage risk. We have an upcoming test drive. $11.11 will get you 2 weeks full access to the software, to Holly, and much, much more. Come check us out, trade-ideas.com, and we'll see you there. Take care.